Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sonia from BPT department. Today I will discuss topic mental retardation. MR referred to significantly sub-average general intellectual functioning resulting in associated with concurrent impairment in adaptive behavior and manifested during the developmental period according to American Association on Mental Epidemiology, about 3% of world population is estimated to mentally retarded. इन इंडिया में देखें तो हर 1000 में से 5 बच्चे जो हैं वो MR मेंटली रिटार्डेड रिपोर्ट किए हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन एक्सप्रेस. Mental retardation is more common in boys than girls. With severe and profound mental retardation, mortality is high due to associated physical disease. Next is what are the factors? So genetic factors like chromosomal abnormalities जैसे कि डाउन सिंड्रोम, फ्रेजाइल एक्स सिंड्रोम, ट्राइसोमिक सिंड्रोम, टर्नर सिंड्रोम, कैटक्राई सिंड्रोम एंड प्रेडर्स-विली सिंड्रोम. Second is cranial malformations like hydrocephalus, metabolic disorders like phenylketonuria, Wilson disease, galactosemia, gross disease of brain जैसे tuberculosis, sclerosis, neurofibromatosis and epilepsy. प्रीनेटल फैक्टर्स जैसे इन्फेक्शंस, रूबेला, साइटोमेगेलोवायरस, सिफिलिस, टोक्सोप्लाज्मोसिस, हर्पीस सिम्प्लेक्स. एंडोक्राइन डिसऑर्डर जैसे हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म, हाइपरथायरॉयडिज्म, डायबिटीज मेलाइटस. इंटॉक्सिकेशंस, फिजिकल डैमेज और डिसऑर्डर्स लाइक कोई इंजरी हो, हाइपोक्सिया हो, रेडिएशंस हो, हाइपरटेंशन, एनीमिया, एम्फाइसीमा. प्लासेंटल डिसफंक्शंस लाइक टॉक्सीमिया ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, placenta previa, cord prolapse and nutrition growth retardations. Perinatal factors like at the time of birth asphyxia हो, prolonged or difficult birth, prematurity, kernicterus, instrumental delivery. Postnatal factors after delivery, infections like encephalitis, measles, meningitis, septicemia, any accidents, lead poisonings. Environmental and socio-cultural factors like cultural deprivations, low socio-economic status, inadequate caretakers and child abuse. Classifications की बात करें तो MR classified into 4 category. First one is mild retardation MR जिसमें IQ होता है वो 50 to 70 होता है. Moderate MR IQ 35 to 50. सीवियर रिटार्डेशन IQ लेवल है वो 20 to 35 है. एंड प्रोफाउंड रिटार्डेशंस जिसमें IQ है वो बिलो 20 है. तो माइल्ड रिटार्डेशन दिस इज़ द कॉमनेस्ट टाइप ऑफ मेंटल रिटार्डेशन अकाउंटिंग फॉर 85 to 90% ऑफ ऑल केसेस. These individuals have minimum retardation in sensory and motor area. Moderate retardations, about 10% of mentally retarded come under this group. Severe retardations, severe mental retardation is often recognized early in life with poor motor development and absent or markedly delayed speech and communication skill. Profound retardation जिसमें IQ होता है वो below 20 होता है. This group accounts for 1 to 2% of all mentally retarded. The achievement of development milestone is markedly delayed. They require constant nursing care and supervisions. Next is sign and symptoms. Sign and symptoms: failure to achieve developmental milestone, deficiency in cognitive functioning such as inability to follow commands or directions, failure to achieve intellectual developmental markers, reduced ability to learn or to meet academic demands, expressive or receptive language, psychomotor skill deficit, difficult performing self-esteem, irritability when frustrated or upset, depression or labile moods, acting out behavior, persistency of infantile behavior, lack of curiosities. So what are the diagnoses? First, history collections from parents and caretaker, physical examinations, neurological examinations, assessing milestone development, investigations में urine और blood examinations for metabolic disorder, culture for cytogenic and biochemical study, amniocentesis in infant for chromosomal disorders, hearing and speech evaluations, EEG especially if seizures are present, CT scan or MRI brain, for example in TB sclerosis, thyroid function test when cretinism is suspected, psychological tests like Stanford Binet Intelligence Scale and Witcher Intelligence Scale for children for categorize the child's level of disability. ट्रीटमेंट मोडेलिटी बिहेवियर मैनेजमेंट करेंगे, एनवायरमेंटल सुपरविजन, मॉनिटरिंग द चाइल्ड्स डेवलपमेंट नीड एंड प्रॉब्लम्स, प्रोग्राम दैट मैक्सिमाइज स्पीच लैंग्वेज, कॉग्निटिव, साइकोमोटर, सोशल, सेल्फ केयर एंड ऑक्यूपेशनल स्किल्स, ongoing evaluation for overlapping psychiatric disorders such as depressions, bipolar disorder and ADHD. Family therapy to help parents develop coping skills and deal with guilt or angers. Early intervention program for children younger than 3 with mental retardations. Provide day school to train the child in basic skill such as bathing. Prognosis. The prognosis for children with mental retardation has improved and institutional care is no longer recommended. These children are mainstreamed whenever feasible and are taught survival skills. A multidimensional orientation is used when working with these children, considering their psychological, cognitive, social, and emotional development. Thank you.